Yo, good morning. Breakfast tayo kasama si Mama.
Hello.
Unang ahon, diretso pa tayo dito. So for effective yung binili nating mudguard, oh. Salamat Shopee. Ito, stop over na naman. Mamaya ako nagagamitin yung pinagbabawal na technique. Ito, may kasabay po tayo ngayon. Ngayon lang yung mga pahirap dyan eh, yung amoy ng basura.
All you ever wanted, the truth I couldn't speak. 'Cause I can't see forgiveness, and you can't see the crime. And we both keep on waiting for what we left behind. The light on the horizon was brighter yesterday. Shadows.
Imagine, nagtutulak, nagbabike lang tayo doon kaganina. Ito, dito na tayo ngayon. Laking improvement para sa isang newbie, di ba?
At the end of the final masquerade, final masquerade, final masquerade, standing at the
Ito lang yung kalsada, medyo patag dito. Yun, ang daan yun, medyo mataas dito.
the light on the horizon.
Yun, touchdown. Shotgun. Meet Ann Curtis.
Over, the skies began to fade. You said it was forever, then you slipped away. Standing at the
Ito, medyo nakapagpahinga na tayo. Tara, balik na tayo siguro. Uwi na tayo.